Yo guys, it's time for some technical analysis. We're going to start with Ethereum. So I'm going to look at the daily time frame using Ichimoku. It's only 3 minutes, so bear with me, you will learn something. You can see on the daily time frame that we clearly have a very big run. We got two massive bullish candle, and what we want to know is tomorrow going to be the same? So we do know that on Friday there is some news for USA with all the report about employment. If the employment went well during August, then Bitcoin is going to boost, including Ethereum. So what we want to know now is going to be good tomorrow. Sorry, I turn on the light. Is it going to be all right tomorrow with Ethereum? We have a resistance here. We are on it now. You can see that the head of Ethereum touch it. So it's possible. You have our lagging span that actually broke above our trend price resistance. So we are clearly going well at the moment. Now what we want to know is, are we going to go above it? We got our Kijun and Tenkan that are just under it, so it's a good sign. We got the SSB clearly pointing up and the SSB as well, so that's a good thing. So let's go on the 4 hours time frame and you see where we sit, still the same. We with the lagging also go above the trend line, so it's a good news. So why not keeping up? However, that's a massive candle, and I haven't seen big candles like this twice in a row so far with Ethereum during these past days. So I won't expect the next one to be a big one, but it might keep building up. So we want to see the next candle, the next 4 hours candle, what will happen, and see any move. So it's going to be at in 20 minutes, and it should start around this price here, around 3,689. So that's important that we stay around there. You see on a 1 hour time frame we got a bit of testing here. We've been testing, we are rejected, so it kind of it shows us that we got some a bit of a pullback right now on a 1 hour time frame at least, but still two doji candles, so nothing is certain. What I want to show you also is the Ethereum Ethereum dominance, sorry. You can clearly see it's massive, so it means the institutions are going very crazy into Ethereum right now. So why not another hour later? But most probably we will see a pullback. So you need to be ready for the pullback, and it will go about here, about our Kijun daily. So if we have a pullback on the dominance, we should have a pullback as well on Ethereum slash USDT or USD. And if it happens, then we can expect that we're going back to this line here, which is now our price support, so 3,557. That's really where we need to look at, because if we're going back there, we want to make sure that we are not going to go on a pullback like crazy. So we want to observe what's going on here on a 1 hour time frame, which is going to be around there, you can see. And that means observing and being ready with your call, because if it goes lower than 3,550, you want a short down to the Tenkan daily at least 3,419, and then the next resistance is here. You see we got this resistance, so we are really in an area, in a period, in a zone where things have to happen. Either way we go, we pump crazy or not. We can look at the current let me check here. Okay, all the coin option track, and let's see what's going on. You see it's not much for tomorrow. It's really on the 24th of September that we got something, and on 24th of September we got a lot of open call interest at 5,000. So you can expect Bitcoin to go up to the 5,000. You see this area 4,000, 5,000 by the end of September. So that's interesting to know. I think we should consider this to have some expectation of what will happen here. But everything is going to go well only if the report about employment in USA for August is positive. And this is happening every first Monday of the month, which is this Friday, every first Friday of the month, sorry. So it's going to happen this Friday. So we want to wait this report and be ready to buy on a long. At the moment we need to be careful, okay? We don't jump on the high when it's already too late. All right guys, I'll see you later. Please like, comment. If you can, you want to subscribe, I would really appreciate. I'm heading to the 800 followers. It's interesting, and I think you can let me know if you want me to check some other crypto. I will do it happily. I see you later. Bye bye.